Preview.
Hi friends, I'm Trixie from Get Fun Learn Club. And today, do you know what we are going to make? Today, we are going to make very naughty animals in the forests.
Who is that?
A monkey! They swing on the branches and sit. They eat banana. They take all the stuffs from the humans.
So we are going to make a dancing monkey on the trees, okay?
Yeah. Okay, that will be cool.
That will be cool?
Yes, I made a dancing monkey in my drawing test.
Okay.
I made one.
So, let's start drawing the monkey.
It is going to be a very difficult one.
No, not at all difficult. So we start with the mouth. How is the monkey's mouth? It's a small triangle.
This is the nose.
And around it, we make the mouth.
This is not the mouth.
Yeah. And we make monkeys always smile. They keep smiling, so we make a smile. And now we make the eyes.
Can I make my own monkey?
No, you cannot make your own monkey because you are not a monkey. And we make the eyes. The monkeys are very naughty, right, Parikshit?
No.
More naughty than you or less naughty than you? Have you seen a monkey?
Never.
You're not? Okay. Okay, I'll show you a monkey, okay?
Where?
In the mirror.
Ah! I am not a monkey.
Sit straight. Sit straight and don't run.
I'm not running.
You're trying to do something which I haven't even started. So now make the hairs. How are the monkey's hairs? Like this. Okay.
The other side. And yours.
Yeah. And now the ears. How are we making the ears?
Papa, you made it so wrong.
I made it wrong?
Yeah.
Why is that wrong?
Oh, that's not wrong.
So the ears are done. And now we make the one hand like this. Okay. And we make the body, the lower body. How is the lower body?
So much noise.
Where is the noise? I can't hear anything.
Yes, I can also hear.
And the belly.
What's
the
the
monkey.
belly? This is not the belly.
Okay. And the dancing legs.
Last but not least, the hands. At least.
Why is my sketch pen not working for me? You gave me the wrong sketch pen, huh?
No.
Yes, you must have done something wrong here.
No, I didn't. You drew with this sketch pen only in the panda drawing.
No, you. Oh, okay, I understood what you did.
What?
You changed mine, huh?
No.
Yes, you did something.
Oh yes, I changed it.
You change it now.
I did not know that was mine or yours. I thought that was mine.
Okay. What is this? The monkey is hanging on the tree branch.
river.
There are leaves.
I made my monkey.
Wow.
See, Baba, between these two legs.
So,
We're not going to color it.
yes, we are going to color it, obviously. What are you doing? Let's.
We'll color it. Pew.
Where did my black sketch pen? Okay, let's start with the brown color.
Actually, give me this.
Where is the other brown color?
Take mine. Where is it? I have got that one more. This. No, we're not going to use this. We're going to use this light.
Okay, fine, you do use that color.
You don't have it. Papa,
Yes.
you don't have it.
Yes, I can. Give me this.
Papa, I'm not going to color this.
Okay, don't.
Do you have any problem? Papa, do you have any problem?
No, I don't. I'm done.
I am wrong. So friends, if you love the drawing, do like and subscribe my channel to see
More drawing ideas, and we also have been making a lot of Minecraft games and some stories and some experiments. So see you soon over there.
Yeah.
And do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.